cute because it's smaller and it's like half of the nail. So I'm gonna draw one, like you divide the part of the tips to be 3. Like 3 portion, 1, 2, and 3. And draw like 2 straight line and hold still for your nails. You can see that my hand's still shaky. That is normal, you know, especially for beginner nail tech or for people who are not painting a lot. But hey, it doesn't mean that you can't achieve this really easy. And then I'm gonna do really simple. This part is small, so we're gonna do it's really simple pattern. You see that in like going, it look like a S shape, and just little twitch right there. So then it will not touching anything. It has its own space. That's it. Okay. And I'm gonna give it like really quick on this side. This pattern is really cute and it's simple. It's the most basics, like the sweater pattern for you. And on the side, you just basically hold still, and like basically you're gonna do a dot and then drop down. Can you see me under the camera? Yeah. Look, that's it. And now, don't key anything yet. We are going to sprinkle of if you don't have the matching colors, which is number 3 powder. My hand's probably getting in the way. Don't worry, you can using the crystal clear to sprinkle it on. But if you do have it, that would be good. I'm gonna add some on. I'm gonna sprinkle it in. Maybe about 3 or 4 times. To make sure they are absorbing it in all. So you can see that it's like the gels is picking up all the powder. Okay, I think it's good. Tap gently. You can see that how it's picked up all of the powders, and it gives it a really cool of dimensionals like sweater look. I like it a lot. Oh my gosh. I did the dumbest whole thing in there. It's okay, we can clear this and then dust it off. All right, 60-second clear. Looks perfect sweater.